welcome to my channel. I'm Mai, a local Japanese cooking and dessert expert. Today, I'm in Yoyogi Park to show you the iconic flower of early summer in Japan, which is the hydrangeas. If you're in Japan in June, you will spot absolutely beautiful hydrangeas blooming around Tokyo and cities indeed throughout the country. They are often planted temple and shrine grounds, but can also be found in parks and along sidewalks. In the world of traditional Japanese sweets, the hydrangea is iconic motif to create and serve in early summer. So, on today's episode, I will show you how to make hydrangeas. First, let's make the jelly. You will need water, agar powder, sugar, and glucose syrup. Add water and agar powder to the pot. Stir the mixture and turn on the heat. Bring it to boil, and when the agar is dissolved, add sugar and stir. Add glucose syrup. Pour the mixture into your small bowls and add food coloring and stir. Pour the mixture into a container to make a thin layer of jelly. I will make jelly in multiple colors. You can make with one single color or use multiple colors like me. It's up to you. Make sure to leave some uncolored mixture and set aside. Once the jelly is set, cut into tiny cubes, 6 mm lengths each. Let's prepare the filling. Round the white bean paste into balls. Take the jelly cubes and put them around the bean paste. Brush the uncolored jelly over the confection. The jelly will work as glue. Now, the hydrangea is complete. On this channel, I share about authentic Japanese home cooking, traditional sweets, and information about delicious local foods from Japan. If you're a fan of all things Japanese and want to learn about our local foods in depth, please subscribe to my channel. Also, I create a variety of traditional sweets called wagashi and share on my Instagram. Please visit my Instagram too. You can search for @Miss Wagashi. Thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!